In this video, I'm going to show you how to install brackets on a Mac. So here I have opened Chrome. Alternatively, you can open your Safari web browser. It doesn't really matter. I might run Safari. Go to the website, type in the word brackets, brackets.io. Hit return key. Pretty straightforward. Here's the brackets website. To install, to download the software, to then install it, there's a button here in the center, download brackets 1.13. That's the current version. Press on that. Now what's happening, you come down the bottom of the screen on the Mac, you see down here under downloads, if you see my cursor, right down the bottom right, it's being downloaded. So I just might pause the video while it's doing that, and then I'll start the recording again when it's finished downloading. Okay, I've resumed the recording. You can see down the bottom here, up the top here, there's actually an arrow in Safari. That's the downloads. So alternatively down here on, I don't know if this, whatever this is called in the Mac, I don't use the Mac a lot, in the downloads. So either way, click on, I might click on the downloads here, and you'll see a whole bunch of stuff I've downloaded previously. Just click on the very last one, brackets release 1.13. Alternatively, we can come up here, click on the little arrow, and it's got brackets. So just double click on that. What you'll see now, it's opening brackets, it's installing, and I'm just going to just pause while it's doing that. Okay, it's sort of verified the software. Now what it wants you to do here to install it, just click on the brackets and grab it, and we're going to install it to the applications folder. And it's copying. You can see a little window comes up. It's telling me less than a minute, and I'm just going to again pause the recording. Okay, so now I'm in the this window's already open, the application. It's been installed. I'll just close that. And you can see here in this application windows, there's brackets there. Alternatively, you can come down the bottom, go to Launchpad, and we can type in brackets, and brackets will come up. Actually, brackets is when you go over to your screen. If you look through your menu somewhere, you'll find brackets. Now, one useful thing is you probably want to, because we're going to use this software a bit, you want to pin it or dock it. So click on that, click and hold and drag down, and just bring it down here somewhere and install it wherever you want to put it. And you'll see now, brackets is now, for easy access, it's on your, well, it's called the taskbar in Windows. I'm not sure what it's called, the dock in Apple speak. Okay, we're ready to run the program. Just click on brackets. There it goes. And because you download the internet, it's just giving you a warning. It's fine, it's a legitimate program, so just press. It's an application download from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes, I do. So click open. And here's brackets. Let's drag it around. That's what bracket looks like when you first open it. And there's a couple of files open, and you can click on those and you'll see some, basically some code, HTML code, and that's it. We've successfully installed brackets on a Mac computer.